Mm-hmm. It's still so good. Hello, I'm your college cook. And today we're gonna be making some huevos a la mexicana. These eggs are one of my dad's favorite things to eat. And when we ask him what he wants to eat, this is what he recommends. This is what he asks for. And I'll admit, I can get why. This is a classic. Not even just for breakfast, I can eat this whenever. This is that good. Okay. For this, all we're gonna need is really some tomato, onion, serrano peppers. That's about it. Trust me, these three things are a godsend together. Especially for these eggs. Just gotta chop up your tomato, chop up your onion, get your pepper. I don't think I've said this before, but if you're not used to like cutting peppers, you should wear gloves or something. Now I'm used to it, but just be careful. I don't want somebody cutting a pepper with bare hands and rubbing their eyes or something. Now that would be painful. Once everything's chopped up already, you just grab your pan, set it to medium, drop in your vegetable oil, drop in all the vegetables. That's about it. Easy as that, just dump them in. Stir around for about a few minutes, 4 minutes or so, until they get a little bit mushier. They smell fantastic. I recommend adding salt to the vegetables and not the eggs. Or not, this is just how I do it. After about 4 minutes, that's when you want to add your eggs. Now I'll be adding 3 eggs since we used an entire tomato earlier. You want to have a good egg to vegetable ratio. I like a little bit more egg than vegetable. Maybe you like more vegetable, or maybe you want exactly even. You'll learn as you go. You'll learn what you like to eat. Now cooking the egg should take only about 4 minutes at most to fully cook. Up to your egg preference, honestly. I like mine not runny. Just stir about for a few minutes to get that nice little consistency. Now that it's done, we just take the eggs out of the stove, light it up, and enjoy. Typically, you'd eat this with tortillas, but I don't have tortillas. I'm already all out. And I'm not going to buy groceries until later this week. So I am a little upset that there's no tortillas for this, but if you can, get tortillas and eat this with it. Now, I've seen this recently online. People put avocado in theirs. Now, I never thought about adding avocado to my huevos, but you know, first time for everything, am I right? It's okay. I mean, it's alright. Not much different, honestly. I don't think I'll do this again. Doesn't seem that worth it, you know? But it's still tasty. Overall, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope it helped you out, just a little bit with making some huevos a la mexicana. This is a household classic, so I really hope you do enjoy it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.